Okay, so I'm going to go through the same example, but this time with your calculators. Now, one thing your calculator isn't going to do so easily is find the midpoint of your class interval. So we've got to find the midpoint here. So 0 plus 9 divided by 2 is 4.5, and so on and so forth. So that'd be 14.5, 24.5, 34.5, and 44.5. So find the middle value of each of these when you've got group data, be it discrete or continuous. Then we would put this into our calculator like so. So first of all, you would go to a spreadsheet. You'd be wise to label the first column, the data we're looking at, X, and then the frequency, how many of each one, F. And then you're going to input your midpoints. So it's 4.5, easy to remember, 14.5, 24.5, 34.5, and I believe the last one was 44.5. Then you're going to input the frequency. So 231.73. And the last two were 85 and 26. Double check very carefully that you have got this right. Now, otherwise, obviously, the whole thing is going to go wrong. Now, it's very simple from here to get the relevant statistical calculations. We click on a blank cell. You go to Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculations, One Variable Statistics. You just click on OK. And from your X list, surprisingly, you pick X. And from your frequency list, you pick F. Good idea to label those columns. Then you have all the items you need here. So X bar is your mean, so 29.2, which should agree with the example we did earlier. This is useful. This is the sum of all your X values. Then some things that we don't look at, standard deviation and the like. This is your total frequency. So 217 n, total value of numbers, or total number of values, sorry, is 217. Then some other useful bits and bobs. Your minimum value would be 4.5. Your lower quartile would be 24.5. Your median, 34.5. And your upper quartile is 34.5. Just be aware that here it's simply given you essentially the intervals where the lower quartile, median, and upper quartile reside. So let's look at actually some simpler data. So I'm going to get rid of all of this. That's done. Do you want to save it? No. So I just clicked on the X and that will magically disappear. So my simpler data, absurdly simple, one is this, 2568. I want to find all of my averages. With this, so should be easy to remember, 2568. I'm going to click on a different way to get into spreadsheet, little icon there. Again, I'm going to label my values X. I've only got 4 values. Remember last time we had about 209 or something. So I've just inputted my data straight in, and I want to find the mean and the median, etc. of these. Right, okay, so you go into a blank cell, you click on Menu, you click on Statistics, Stat Calculations, One Variable Statistics, click on OK, and you're going to click on X. Don't leave frequency list blank, or don't change it, because we haven't got a frequency this time. We're just looking at 4 numbers. We're trying to find their averages. So you click on OK. And there they are. So X bar, again, is your mean. If we added the 4 numbers together, the sum of X, it'd be 21. And then some things you don't need here. How many numbers are there in total? 4. What's the smallest of them? 2. What is the lower quartile? 3.5. What is the median? 5.5. What is the upper quartile? 7. What is the biggest of those 4 numbers? 8. So you can see it does it really rather well and quite quickly if you get used to it.